Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So you guys seem to love this look whenever I do it on my channel. And it's the season of wearing dark eyes and beautiful lip colors. So I thought let's do this. So yes, if you want to know how I got this look, then let's get started with the video. Yeah, some posing. Yes girl, go. Come on, you can do it. Some posing is necessary. So starting off with a clean moisturized yeah. And then I'm just applying some primer to get a smooth base. I'll be linking all the products in my description box, then correcting some areas which are not really even. And yeah, then I'm taking the foundation. This is a very high coverage foundation, so I do one side at a time, as you can see. And don't mind my face, I was very like tired and all of it. So yeah, that my skin also looks very tired over here. Then I'm taking this highlighting concealer and just I just want to look snatched. Okay, my brows are not done, my lips are my upper lips have kind of a little hair on them, so just trying to look snatched with all of it. So yes, just blended the concealer, and now I'm taking some loose powder and sort of baking my face. Just pressing in the powder so that my liquid products can get set. Did my brows as you can see, and now dusting off the excess powder and talking to my mommy. And now again taking some loose powder, I'll be doing my eyeshadow, and I don't want any fallout to just ruin my beautiful base. Now I'm taking this this color, this light color, and just using as a transition color, just as a base color rather, to add some color to my eyes. And then I'm taking this reddish color, and yeah, you can see, just imitating the shape of my eyes and just depositing slowly. I'm blending it with this brush, so that it looks a bit smoked out. It's not a toy brush, it's a MAC brush. It's a professional brush, but it was in a limited edition collection. So yeah, yeah, you can see it's just pretty self-explanatory, just imitating the shape of my eyes. Then I'm going with the, like a more pinkish red color, and just helping it to smoke out and just deepen the entire color scheme that's going on my eyes, and doing the same on the other eyes. First, I'm using a very small precision, U-shaped brush. Can't talk today, wow. And then I'm using the, darker red colored burgundy color to just smoke out everything and just make it look like, you know, natural. Yeah. Every time I do a voiceover, I realize I can't really speak. Now I'm just, doing some wing, and again, I love this eyeliner. This was featured in one of my recent videos as well. And taking my time and doing like a wing liner. And let me know if you want a complete tutorial on how to, draw wings and stuff, like an updated one. So yeah, just taking my time and doing my thing. Then just applying some kohl on my lower lash line and smudging it out with this dark, it's a, look, sort of a brownish reddish color. So that's what I'm doing. The makeup look is very simple, you guys, by the way. Then applying some mascara. This is the Maybelline Falsies mascara. And just applying mascara. And then lashes are on. This is from Glomier Beauty, I believe. And dusting off all of the powder, you can see my base hasn't been messed up with. Then I'm applying some mist, and I'm just bronzing my face. One thing that I like to follow is I always mist my face between every powder step, so that my face doesn't looks very dry and all of it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just contouring my nose. I don't really contour as such. I always just add a bit of color, like bronze it up. Then I'm taking my favorite blush from Wait and Wild, Wet and Wild, and I'm just applying it on the apples of my cheeks and just smiling like, yes, come on, smile your heart out. And again, as you can see, I'm misting my face, and now it's time for highlighter. So obviously you need to glow. So yeah, that awkward smile, we all do while we apply highlighter, even on the nose, because everyone should be able to see my nose from 20 kilometers away. Yes, that's what we're talking about. Again, misting my face, and then I'm loving this lipstick right now. This from Nykaa. Wow, look at my face. I mean, I love this lipstick. And then I'm going to take some lip gloss as well. Okay, let me just finish with the lipstick. Yeah. So I'm taking the lip gloss. This is from MAC again. I'm going to list a dupe also below. And oh my god, the look is done, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm just too excited, but I hope you did. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials. And yes, that's it for this look. Um, yeah, send me your recreations if you do any. And I'll see you guys super soon. Till take care. Love you all. Bye bye.